To get started pairing your Aurora device to your smart bulb, make sure you have the rotary knob, rotary base, and a Philips screwdriver. Remember to remove the base from the packaging. Start by downloading the Philips Hue app on your smart device. Follow the prompts to connect the bridge. Tap Settings, tap Accessory Setup, tap Add Accessory, tap Friends of Hue's switch. Select the Aurora device from the menu and follow the prompts on the screen to complete pairing. Make sure the bulb is turned on before you begin installation. Start by placing the base over the toggle switch. Ensure the opening in the base aligns with the switch. Hold the base tightly against the wall plate and securely fasten using a Phillips screwdriver. Ensure the base is secured firmly before moving on to the next step. Line up the opening in the device with the toggle switch and then push the device onto the switch until it clicks. The controls should snap in easily and the gray base will still be partially exposed.